The purpose of this video is to show the settings screen navigation for an Alto-Sham Vector oven with Deluxe Controls and to provide a brief description of the screen functions. We will be using a 4-chamber oven for this demonstration. 2- and 3-chamber ovens will operate similarly. In this video, we are set to the manual cooking screen as the home screen. You can select from one of 4 home screen options in the settings menu. The menu icon, also called the hamburger icon, is used to access the main menu. From the main menu, you can touch the settings icon to access oven settings. Let's go over the different functions of the oven settings. First is the general settings. Touch the home screen icon to choose which home screen you would like to see when the oven first turns on. You can choose from recipe screen, manual cook screen, main menu screen, professional cook screen, or category selection screen. Touch the icon you desire to return to the settings screen. Next, touch the language icon to display the other languages that are possible with the Deluxe Controls. We have screen translations in French, German, English, Spanish, Russian, Chinese, Italian, Dutch, Korean, and Japanese. Touch the language icon you desire to return to the settings screen. As we move on to the temperature settings section, you can touch the temperature units icon to go between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Touch the icon you desire to return to the settings screen. You can also turn on auto preheat from here. This will put the oven into preheat when it is first turned on for the day. You can also select replay feature. This will show an icon after your cooking cycle is complete. It allows you to run the same recipe again without having to re-enter information. Below the replay icon is the default preheat temperature settings. You can touch each chamber and set the desired temperature when touching the preheat icon on the home screen. The default temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Touch the check mark to save your changes. The next section is date and time settings. You can touch the time zone icon to set the time zone the oven is cooking in. Large cities within each time zone are shown to help choose the right location. Touch the time zone and then touch the check mark to save changes. The network time button is used to have the oven set the date and time based on the information of the internet network you are connected to. Date and time icons are used to manually set the information for data collection purposes. The next section is sound and light alerts. This is where you can control the volume of the alarm. You can also select the sound of the done alarm by touching the done sound icon. Touch the desired sound, and then touch the check mark to save your changes. You can adjust the light brightness of the chamber lights. You can adjust the screen brightness as well. If the oven is equipped, you can adjust the handle light turning on or off. The next section is system backup and update. You can use these various icons to back up and restore the oven settings and recipes. You can also import images from a USB drive to use for recipe creation, and you can update the software of the oven from a USB drive. Those operations are explained further in other videos on our website. In the security lock section, you can lock out recipe editing by touching the button. Type in a passcode to turn on this option. Touch the check mark to save any changes. The same can be done for manual cooking mode, setting screen access, and auto-locking the display while cooking. And finally, the system reset section. You can clear all the HACCP cooking logs and error logs by touching the Clear Logs icon. You can also clear all the settings, recipes, and logs by touching the Clear All icon. To save all the settings you have changed, touch the check mark. This will take you back to the main menu. For more videos, please see our website.